Why, hello there. My name is Colin. I am your Tired Millennial Chef, and I am here to show you recipes that are quick, easy, and most importantly, delicious. So, for the first one in the series, we're going to be making something called Hamburger Mush-Mush. Sounds gross, looks gross, tastes amazing. This recipe comes from my mother. It's been passed down. It is 100% comfort food for me. Something that I really enjoy. I share with others. They think it's absolutely delicious and amazing as well. So I wanted to put it out there for the world, and it's incredibly easy. With that being said, jump to recipe. All the prep work for this is incredibly simple. You are going to start with a small yellow onion. In this video, I used about 3/4 of a sweet onion because I had it on hand, personal preference, whatever works for you, as well as a small can of sliced mushrooms. You're going to chop up your onion as well as your mushrooms, keep them separated, and save them for later. And that is all the prep work that is needed. Super simple, super easy. Next, you're going to take a cast iron skillet. It's what I've always used. It's definitely what I recommend. You get a lot of flavor, a lot of depth to the food that way. You're going to heat that up on high, and then you're going to brown around 1 to 1 1/4 pound of ground beef, and you're going to season it however you prefer. For this dish, I like to use the basic salt, pepper, garlic, and you're good to go. Then once your beef has become browned and almost pebbly, you're going to drain some of the grease from there. Don't worry about it too much. You don't have to put it through a strainer. I just take a spatula and let some of the grease drain out that I can immediately get without having to remove any of the beef itself. From there, you're going to put it back on the stove and then add your chopped onion and a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Then you're going to cover and cook it on low for around 10 minutes. After those 10 minutes are up, you're going to remove the lid, and this is the important part. You're going to stir in 2 cans of Campbell's spaghetti. No other spaghetti will do, and do not try and substitute this. I don't want to see people in the comments saying, I tried SpaghettiOs and this was gross, because it will be gross, and I'm just warning you ahead of time. Campbell's spaghetti is really the only thing that I've found that has that flavor profile that you're looking for. You can find it at most of your supermarkets and with the other canned pastas. So you're going to add in your 2 cans of spaghetti as well as your mushrooms, and then I add around a tablespoon or just a general dollop of sour cream and around 1 to 1.5 cups of shredded cheese based on your personal preference. I also add in a little sprinkle of Parmesan cheese as well, and then mix that up and let it cook for an additional 5 to 7 minutes until that's heated through. Once that's heated through, give it a stir and top it off with some more Parmesan cheese for presentation, as well as some red pepper flakes for a little bit of heat and color. And that is it. You are done. Can't be simpler, can't be easier, and it's just absolutely delicious. You can also add a little bit of lemon juice at the end if you want some of that acid to balance out the richness. But in general, it is a very creamy, delicious, and just absolute comfort food. I love it. I hope you enjoy it as well. Like I said, looks gross, tastes amazing. If you can get through this, the rest of the series should hopefully be much easier on you aesthetically. If you did like this, feel free to share with your friends, get that recipe out there, spread the love. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you next time. We got to give a little to my favorite sous chef. Here he is. There he is. Oh boy.